Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled on Violet Close in the hills of Williamsfield, Manchester, is this beautifully laid out three-level building on approximately half-acre of land. It comes with 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It is fully solar powered with surveillance cameras, well-manicured lawn and garden area. The lower level accommodates spacious 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, self-contained flat with a large enclosed terrace, which can be an income generator. The ground floor facilitates entrance patio, living and dining areas. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen with dining area, laundry room, enclosed back patio, a large open terrace, and a single car garage. The upper floor has a master bedroom with walk-in closet and bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms, 1 bathroom, sitting area, TV area, and 2 balconies. The garden has all the homegrown produce that one can desire, such as coconuts, breadfruit, banana, plantain, orange, apple, naseberry, avocado, pineapple, sugarcane, and many more. Also on the property is a standalone utility room with solar panels attached. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.